What if I told you that people are searching for your content right now, but they just can't find you? If you're not using SEO, you're invisible online. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down search engine optimization, also known as SEO, in the simplest way possible. No, let's break down complicated marketing language into practical steps you can start using immediately. Finally, deliver it consistently across channels. Apply this today for immediate results. If you're a content creator, entrepreneur, student, or anyone trying to grow online, SEO is the skill that helps your content get discovered without paying for ads. In this video, I'll show you how search engines actually work, how to choose the right keywords, and how to position your content so it keeps bringing traffic long after you post. Search engine optimization (SEO) is the process of helping your content appear when people search online. When someone types a question into Google or YouTube, SEO is what decides whether your content shows up or stays invisible. SEO is about making your content easy for search engines to understand, trust, and recommend. It's like building trust with the search engines so they put your content in front of the right people. Good SEO brings free traffic, more visibility, consistent audience growth, and long-term results. Unlike ads, SEO keeps working even when you stop posting. How do search engines actually work? They follow three main steps. First, to find and follow links across the web. Second, indexing. They sort results by relevance to make it searchable. Search engines scan the internet looking for new content. This is like a web crawler, methodically exploring and indexing new information. This helps them keep results relevant and up to date. They store and organize your content. That's the power of indexing. It makes everything accessible and efficient. This is essential for modern data management. Ranking systems decide which content appears first, based on quality and relevance. Your goal is to make your content clear and valuable, so it ranks higher and reaches more people. Welcome, let's explore the three pillars of SEO. First, keywords, the foundation. Keywords at they see you are essential for visibility. Next, we'll cover content and links. Let's talk about job interview preparation. First, research the company. This shows you're proactive. Next, practice answers to common questions with a friend. Finally, dress professionally and arrive early. To find the best keywords, start by typing your topic into Google or YouTube. Check the autocomplete suggestions and the people also ask section. And finally, study what successful creators in your niche are doing. That's the key. Search engines prioritize helpful content. That means creating content that truly answers your audience's questions. Focus on quality and the rankings will follow. Welcome. Let's solve a real problem, how to navigate challenges with poise. First, understand the situation clearly. Then create a simple, actionable plan. This gives you clear value and keeps you moving forward. I ask myself, does this help someone improve their life? If yes, success follows. You'll find fulfillment achievement naturally. This mindset transforms your path to true success. Search engines track user behavior, watch time, click rates, comments, shares, and time on views. So, focus on creating engaging content to boost your visibility. The hidden secret to ranking higher? It's all about user experience. Search engines track watch time, click rate, comments, shares, and time on page. If people stay longer, your ranking increases. Let's talk about SEO for YouTube creators. First, title optimization. Bad titles are vague. Good titles use searchable phrases like SEO for beginners step-by-step guide. Some essential SEO tips for beginners. SEO is about making it attractive to search engines. Think of it as a shop window. Start with keyword research and optimize your content. Let's get into it. Your thumbnail affects clicks. Use clear face expression, bold readable text, and high contrast colors. Higher clicks equal better ranking. Optimize your thumbnails for success. Yes, SEO works on Instagram and TikTok too. Use searchable captions that people are searching for. For example, how to build confidence as a woman. Today, let's discuss niche hashtags for digital marketing. Use specific ones like digital marketing tips or career growth to boost your visibility. This targets your audience perfectly for better growth. Thanks for watching. If you have a website, optimize your page titles, headings, and image names. Also, ensure fast loading speed and mobile friendliness. Google prefers fast and easy websites. Beginner SEO mistakes to avoid. First, keyword stuffing. Next, clickbait titles with no value. Also, avoid posting without consistency. And never copy others without originality. Beginner SEO mistakes to avoid. Keyword stuffing, clickbait titles, posting without consistency, ignoring thumbnails, and copying others. SEO rewards authenticity and usefulness. Want a powerful SEO strategy? Start with keyword research to find what your audience searches for. Final track it calls keyword cells with Tilytics. Tweak and repeat to keep growing your traffic. Here's my weekly system. I research 5 topics, create one long video, turn into shorts, use the same keywords everywhere, and reply to comments to boost engagement. One idea, multiple content pieces, more visibility. How long does SEO take to work? It's not instant. There's a typical growth timeline, first a discovery phase, then traffic increases leading to strong visibility. Remember, consistency beats perfection. The real secret of SEO, it's not about being perfect. Search engines promote creators who help people, answer questions clearly, and stay consistent. When you focus on helping first, ranking follows. SEO isn't about tricking algorithms. It's about understanding people. When your content solves real problems, search engines naturally push it forward. Start simple, stay consistent, and let your content work for you.